welcome back to the video. So safe that and who we're walking up to now. God, I was so afraid. Is that a fight now? Weird, clear water. Cafeteria. I'm at your front door. Or the back door, more like it. Or the water's in there. And be careful where I go at. Nice. Nice Peterbilt. And a banana. I need to be careful of snakes in here. Probably will hit a dang snake and not even realize. Hello, Master Garage. See how busy it is. So busy that there's no way to not know how busy Florida is. Especially like almost Friday. Friday's when nobody honks. / me getting scared of crap by train horns. Oh, hey, he ain't in prison. Yeah. They always have straight open practically. Hey, Ben. I dare you to tell him, good for you, you haven't been in prison yet. Go ask him if he's fine with him. Hey, good news, no one hit the pallets. You're laying down concrete for the cafeteria event. You're putting down concrete yesterday, and glad to see that no one ran into a pallet of concrete under it. Now I just need to know if that's not too bad. Don't ask me put concrete down.
What?
Huh? You got lucky that could have came up and hit you in the face.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Hey, actually, we had a Ford. I seen a Ford had that happen to them on 40. More like 40. On 40, in like Ocala by the laundromat. We were in the laundromat while I looked out the window and said, "Hey, Mom, don't you see that Ford that wheel's hood? It's about to come up and hit him in the face." Same time I say that, it does. Like last.
Yeah, we don't need that. Oh my goodness,
Like one time I was we were coming back like from Demi, like I said there's gonna be a train. Right in my head I was saying there's gonna be a train, there's definitely gonna be a train. Right when I say of course when I'm saying that there's a train. International CSX come. I don't think we have international. CSX comes out and he goes and like, dang, I was right. There was a train going. Shoot. Did you feel comfortable with me filming you for once? About what happened?
Again?
I'm like, he better not be in prison. If he is, I'm gonna tell the truck driver he's sick. He's only sick for 5 years.
Hopefully not yet.
Why?
That's a big bunch of nonsense. Big bunch of nonsense.
You let your kids have autism and stuff. See, everyone was talking about it.
I have one girl who's skinny. My 8-year-old girl is skinny. So we went to the doctor, and they called DCF on us for having a skinny
filming.
kid.
You're not filming, so.
Now? No.
Yeah. You can do it. I don't care if you talk. Warn you I'm filming, so. Hey, look at that! 6-group advisor. Chrome all over it. And put like a city with crayons. And they put that into a new store. Uh-oh. And the match. Looking for the match. Looking for the trucks. Too many trucks. Like really 10 or 15 trucks I've seen already. Except Impala over there. Good news. Here's here. Yeah. So do you want to talk about it or not talk about it? After I'm filming or when I'm filming? Someone asked to see a mockingbird nest. I'm like, sorry, they'll steal the nest. I don't want to disturb a nest with animals in it. It risk being attacked by a big mama mockingbird. Except for good news, they're not in there. I got a chance to film it.
What do I do here? I just take it.
Just wait for him.
Where is he?
He's in the truck. They gotta walk up and knock on the door. Gotta go. Hey, we need you. There's a guy like this. Hey, we need you to come out. We need help. They happen often in the truck stops. People will get the trucks hit. They won't even realize they have headphones on. They're sleeping. And they get, I'm like, ooh. Hey, I can wake him up for you, but I didn't trust you, honk. Or honk the horn. They go, What kind of time? The Detroit. I know every time I do this, I film the end. Hello, Mac. Wait, I'm gonna zoom in. Hey, he's on a phone call. He's talking to. Where are you? Hey, don't do anything stupid like get in trouble. He's talking. He's talking on the phone, so gonna be like 15 or 20.
What's with the pallets right there? Is there something? Are they blocking something?
Concrete under it.
Oh, that's what you were talking about before.
Yeah, I said don't ask concrete.
Yeah, I heard you say that. I didn't know. I thought there's going to be concrete coming.
Yeah. Funny thing is, we had a T-A-80, T-80. Went down the wrong driveway. Out by a hot concrete truck. Cement truck. For E&M concrete. Funny thing is, I do the opposite to him the whole time he's driving. He finally honked, you know, and beep beep, and like, wow, you have a car horn. Then a couple minutes later, a Mac, Titan, or Granite goes by. I'm like, what's going on? Neighbor got the container. They came off. There's a Mac. What's going on? Hey, careful. But actually, the funny thing is that there's too many trucks. Too busy. Most all trucks in Florida are right down in Mac. So, I hear a truck. Don't know what way it comes in. Hey, a penny. Penny. Never match your boards nest. Yeah, they actually I'll go for a little nest. I think my shade tree came. Look you do that Detroit on the cat video. I've gone crazy with zooming in and stuff. This is where Chevy go. I don't like to go over here with trucks coming. I always walk a radius of you can see the top of the hood and the window and all the way to the roof of the truck, you're safe. And here comes a Mac. You're safe. So always walk as far enough that you can see the window of the truck. Like the top of the window and stuff. And here's something on map. Red classic. Oh, okay. Keep on. Ow. Hello. That guy's actually a truck there.
Why does it beep like that?
Just to annoy people,
No.
I guess. And your door open.
And then why do you hear the hair come out after they shut the beep off?
Air brakes.
So it's letting you know that you didn't set your air brakes.
Nice.
That's what the alarm is.
Nice. Pew-boo. I know pew-boo. The one has big brick, I think. Yeah, really nice footing on Classic I Show went by earlier.
A real nice what?
Footing on Classic I Show went by, and yeah, dang it, chrome bicycle, chrome stack. Hey, that guy actually told you yesterday that truck right there. That blue Footing on Cascadia was actually towed by Beavis Towing. That white Footing that white Peterbilt is a 509. The new one. Not the new one.
Well, everybody's complaining about the heat. It's not hot, is it?
That really something. Shouldn't there be a safety guard, a crash guard under the truck? They have it on one side technically, but not on the other side. Plus, if you're going under, you either slide or some rival run the red light and go under the truck.
Yeah.
Technically, the truck with this is actually the safety, I guess. But the steel and stuff.
Slide it this way before you slide it out. Yeah. Get it. I don't want the bags to tear along the panels.
Yeah. So. Time to check tires. I was gonna take all his tires for him, but he's here. I'm doing a favor, talking to him, keeping him busy, ignoring him. Oh, I'm out here. I'm out. I know a whole truck. I know every short truck. Time to check these tires. They're actually all rock hard. I was doing the own pre-trip for him. Why your tires are rock solid? Ow, my hand. Why am I always doing the pre-trip for one Peterbilt or something? Didn't see the truck at all. Hey, time to do the second tire video. Ah, my hand, both of them. I hit my hand on every single tire. That's just still rock solid. They are. Good news, all these tires are rock solid. Bad news, my hand hurts now. I knocked my hand off of all of them. That's the tech, it's so good.
Oh, look at the ants.
What?
Look at the ants.
Hey,
Look at them. Damn, he got me up here.
Knew it.
How did he jump at me?
You touched the plastic when you went up your hand.
Great.
I didn't even tell you.
We'll save that for a rainy day. Oh my God.
I knew it. I seen it go up your hand. I was caught about it, but I didn't want you to freak out like I did. Or like, ah! That's been a little bundle. Oh, what? Oh, what? Oh, what the heck? They think Marmon. They straight up Marmon. They think Marmon. What the heck? I never seen a Marmon. I mean, I have, but it's been in forever. That's the second Marmon I've seen. Holy crap. Holy crap. People, holy crap. They think Marmon. How for now? Geez, I never seen. That's the second time I've seen a Marmon. He honk. Mac. I see the Marmon for my second time. Yeah. And I don't even know what you say. Geez, dang Marmon. Like, the Marmon are actually rare, too. So, geez, actually seeing no Marmon for my second time. I'm not like Austin that sees him every single day. We are here at a Makungi truck show going on. Like, I only see them like 2 Marmons. They're not even the twice that you expect. Although, I've never seen a Marmon in like while filming. That's probably the rarest truck I've seen while filming. Behind you. Hey, Dylan's equipment leash. Dang, Marmon went by. Haven't seen one of them for a while. Yeah, Marmon went by.
A what?
Marmon went by.
A mom.
No, Marmon. M-A-R-M-O-N.
Marmon.
Yeah. Just now, this went by, and they're actually pretty rare. I mean, they're actually rare. That's like my second time seeing one. While filming, too. I mean, that's the first time seeing one while filming. I've seen some stuff like International Cavalry, some K100, a K100 while filming, but never a Marmon while I was filming. Most of I see Cavalry, but I never got a dang DMC Bush Gator like in 1975, 1979, or a dang Marmon on camera yet. But today I did for a Marmon. Now I just need to get a Chevy Ford and DMC, which I haven't got Ford, haven't got a DMC. But you never know what you're going to see. If you ever see a Cavalry or a Marmon coat truck Cavalry thing, or a Diamond T, which I wouldn't be able to recognize at all. I just say, oh, that's an antique truck right there. No, it ain't looking like a Diamond T or Rio. Actually, White took over them, so I should be able to tell. Or a White Western Star, or a Western Star Cavalry. This dang Marmon that went by. Stop following the fan. Oh yeah, you are. You have to. Or you'll be fired. You'll be Hey, careful. I have a camera. You get my camera wet, you're in trouble. And you're fired.
That's not a waterproof camera?
No.
You better get a waterproof camera.
Yeah, I do. Before I drop it in a puddle while I'm filming. But I normally film like this. But I'm always filming like this. I'm normally filming like this. Hey, you see me?
I see you.
Not looking. I'm normally filming like this. Banana. And a boulder. And a banana. Funny how I'm the only one in Florida that actually got the rarest truck. I don't actually stay on that. Sneeze. Oh, he's done. Boy, young like metal scraping steel. Skip for the video if y'all can. Actually, funny how I seen a marmon. That's now. That's when I seen a marmon like a minute ago. I was not expecting to see a big marmon today too. Like I look at the hood instantly when I see a truck.
Right.
I look at the hood in truck, but mainly the hood I look at. I seen a letter and a marmon like, holy crap, they marmon! And I knew.
Did you say a Mormon?
No, marmon.
Mormon?
No, the MARMON.
Marin?
No,
Moran?
no. I said MARMON.
Marmon.
Yeah, I only seen 2 of them. That's how rare they are.
Okay.
Especially, I just caught one on camera too. Every truck that goes by, I try to get it on camera at least. But not expecting to see a dang marmon today. Hey, look at me! Oh no, look at me! I already blasted. Hang on, Mac. I don't really want to get the antique truck honk. Since why? I said get an antique truck. Most of them don't even work with the horns. But the truck I want to get to honk the most are the car. And cat. And a. But I think those are the only 2 trucks I actually want. But white, with the beauty. I just have to do this quick. Too late. Condition English. That might be up here. Then we have to do the one pump. Well, I guess you can't tell you local now. I guess you get local now. You're only a local if you honk your horn. If your truck, you have a nice truck, a rare truck, a dig brake, or a...
Oh, about to get close.
Huh, nice. It better be squished between the door, too. And, actually, if you honk your horn, you're a local, too. Not that you have a rare or souped up truck. That marmon.
From, well, where's Florida Hardware from? Obviously, it's from Florida.
Jacksonville.
Jacksonville.
Look inside the truck. Who's that?
Oh, yeah, I suppose I could look on the side of the truck, huh?
Yeah, it says Jacksonville, Florida. Like, Mid-South all
You're
truck.
very observant like that, not me. See, I don't notice anything. I wouldn't notice.
That's when I'm up at the truck and stuff filming.
That sign.
I'm looking at
That light could fall and smash, and I wouldn't notice.
Not me either.
I'm kind of a dim bulb.
I wouldn't know either.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even realize.
Oh, look at the baby.
look at that baby! Babies are evil. Most of them are. Better slow down, looking at me. Better slow down, St. Louis or Columbia. You better back off on this truck. Like 15 more foot tailgating the van. The van gonna slam my brake if someone pulls in front of him. And it's not gonna end well. Like we seen some trucks yesterday going way too fast. Yeah, it's hey. Hey says you hey. Say hey, have a hot dog, and I have to say be careful, it's hot. Have a hot dog.
Careful, it's hot.
Of course it's hot. It's a hot dog.
Right. You ever have a cold dog?
Yeah. They taste bad. But they don't taste bad. They have cheese and onions in them. I had some hot dogs with cheese and onions and had cheese in it. Oh yeah, look in the ground. Look in the ground. Huh? Yay. Good for you. You didn't even pick it up, old man. Oh. Yeah, I know the truck. There's too many trucks out here.
Of course, if I bought that today, I could leave that here next week if we look at it. If I bought that today and I brought it home and I planted it, those flowers would be on the ground next to the plant tomorrow morning.
Two more by the open, and either 3 or 4 have been
It's stuck.
Yeah, that's a good bag. It's Ventura. You can see the seed pods on it. Oh shit. Mickey also.
Yeah, those suckers are kind of like the crip markers.
Oh, yeah.
They're pretty hardy, but I can't keep the flowers. As soon as they're on the ground.
Maybe in the last 3 days,
Hey, actually, funny thing, I discovered something.
not far from me, he has one, and he got what looks like that, just taller, just 2 sticks, and it kind of spreads out a bunch of them.
No shit.
And it's like,
I've seen a couple that are like trees. They're like, they grow into like.
Careful,
bush.
you almost hit me in the face.
That's okay.
No, I'm not. But my nose hurt, I'm not.
Yeah, I've seen so many different colors. I've seen different shapes, sizes.
Ooh. Oh no, Jerry Miller. Should I even try, you guys? I don't know if I want to try. Oh, he's talking driving. He's talking driving. Oh well, Walmart coming. A helpful holiday store. A helpful appliance store, more like it. You stupid idiot. Look straight at me. Go, here comes the Mac. D! Hey, actually, every time I see dairy move go by, she come back, she be texting driving. I see.
Do.
Yeah.
Some of the guys will have that Bluetooth with the headset, but most of them just do it the old-fashioned way. They don't give a rat's butt.
Since the wreck, before the wreck, they wouldn't be on the phone. They'd be all excited to honk at me and say hello and stuff. Now, you're all touching driving.
There's a bag of mulch on this side with a tear and some big red and black ones are pouring out.
Cool.
Not take it right this moment.
Yeah, I got one that yep. Ants are falling out. That plant, ants are falling. I'm like, oh my god. There's like 6 or 7 plants, they're all inside of the
Little known fringe benefit of like the landscape trade. Like they do and will come out and destroy you. Like just one wrong week. Yeah. Oh yeah, man. At your brother's, he even had one of those little bird baths. I knocked the bird bath over and they were all inside that. It was like a Hitchcock movie. But of ants.
Hey,
Yes. What are you doing?
what is the rarest truck you seen?
I don't know what's rare for trucks, so I wouldn't know.
Marmon, autocross, like the older ones.
Oh, I wouldn't know.
All the old trucks.
I probably wouldn't even know it if I saw it. You know, I'm not that good.
With me, actually, Volvo and autocross, I think are the same brand. And actually, we see a thing,
You probably have better luck seeing those at the truck shows. You know.
we didn't. We don't, the oldest truck I seen.
Square body Chevy. And put it on top of a Tesla frame.
No.
So it looks like the old like square body truck, and you couldn't tell anything was different. Was all electric. And technically, the whole front hood, I guess, would be empty at this point. And if you don't have anything in there, because everything's in the frame.
I was gonna say, where do they put the batteries and stuff?
They're actually in the frame.
No kidding.
They're actually under.
So what? It's all
like
trunk
those big
space.
lifts.
The front and the back is all trunk space.
Yes.
Where you would normally have.
That's what we call a trunk and a front.
Okay.
A front trunk.
Okay. I just heard a story where a family of 2 kids, they died in a Tesla crash, and they survived the crash, but the batteries caught on fire and then exploded. And so they sued Tesla, and they won. The families of the 2 kids won insane amounts of money. I was just reading yesterday on the computer, and I'm like, so it's back to the drawing board there. Like, so is that what happens?
Fail safes, I guess something.
So.
Like they do a bunch of crash tests on them.
But actually,
you would think, right? If it's gonna catch fire and it just explodes. Like, that's nuts. I don't know. Either way, I don't see how they're ever going to implement this by 2030. Nothing else, or half the fleet, half of everything.
That's true.
Companies make have to be illegal.
Actually,
how are they going to do that? And did you see the government wants to give you $7,500 as a tax credit to get your electric car? So instead of it being $60,000 base, now you can,
it's only
53 or whatever. Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Alright, we see on the news, right?
I mean, that seems unconstitutional for them to tell you have to drive this.
Well, they can't.
I mean, what was everybody supposed to do? Who's poor?
Hey, actually, on the news, I seen this.
Driving electric.
I don't even think I can get a used Prius right now.
They're saying Texas
electric.
and California are having issues with their grid systems now.
I'm sure of it.
Everyone's going electric.
Of course, you get what you wish for.
They're pulling power. He's the one guy.
Which you need coal to run the power plants for the electricity, or nuclear, whichever they're going to want to, invest in more.
Electric.
Heard you.
Hey, I'll tell you
what. You repeated it. Because no one said anything the first time.
I don't even like the battery pack weed
whackers. You don't like me saying anything?
As opposed to a gas weed whacker. You know what I'm saying? So if that's going to be any telltale sign of how
we have to get the right one, because the old ones stuff like mine, the mower, if you run for something like 2 months, you'll be able to rev up. And then once you see the hard stuff, it goes like that lower. So I'm using like a battery to stay at a higher speed. So you hear like the motor speed.
Yeah, like
it turns off and on by itself. I'm like, no.
I don't want no governor of any kind.
Electric side.
I guess your compressor doesn't take on as much on the eco setting.
Yeah,
well, your house is getting cold.
Now I got that funky ass wet, like old smell in my house.
Nice.
It just sits with water inside, like the little vents that you see.
Oh, nice your house is.
I'm like, oh man, I might have to look into some of that, like damp rig or something, like, because it's got that smell like being in a wet camper.
Some of them, they either pump the air pulls to the outside or stays inside. If it stays inside, you might not get that smell. I know normally if it pulls from the outside, I would figure go through that.
I don't know, but it smells funky, and I'm like, man, I hope this isn't the sign of things to come. Like, it's probably going to break down this week. I just got this $300 wasted. What is that? Oh, it's a lizard. Okay, never mind. You see, it's red there. Yeah, right by the glove. Now you'll see it breathe.
Oh, the lizard?
Yeah. I didn't know at first. I thought it might be one of them nasty grasshoppers. But,
yeah, we have something out there eating stuff. I squished one of those.
It's got to be one of those.
What?
They're killing everything.
In the office.
Would you spin that off of a product?
Natalie, go.
Actually, what do you think about electric? You won't be able to hear no dig weeks.
This is, I think.
Really? Not when everyone loves dig works.
I think this might be the one I was talking about.
Do they actually have a real semi that can hold 100,000 pounds?
They're already making them.
Yeah, Tesla says so. Elon Musk says so.
I haven't seen them actually made. On the road, that's all.
It's ugly.
Matt.
All these things are so ugly.
That was Lamborghini.
That's the thing where, again, who's going to keep charging and pulling over? And again, do you know how many years it would take to basically replace a gas station with a charging station for as far as like trips across the country? You're going to be super rude. Like,
If you go to big problem is you get, what, you know how many miles you get? A supercharger, in 30 minutes, the charge battery 80%.
Yeah, I heard
That's
that.
not bad.
Yeah, but you know that's going to only be for the super elite rich.
No.
Yeah, come on.
If you have a Tesla, you can use it.
If you have a Tesla, it's super elite rich. Who the hell's getting a Tesla? Like he says. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Cars aren't much cheaper than Tesla.
But how long is it like that?
Gonna just to see what it looks like.
That's my thing. If it's used,
Nice.
how much are the batteries?
Maybe that's a look better. Maybe it'll look better.
Yesterday, some guy was fighting with that Buttigieg. Yeah, since in Texas, was like, he's Captain Great. And this guy on legislation was like, I did the math. And he's like, if people spend 70
What? Yeah, I don't see what it is. Must be nothing.
He's like, you realize what the average family and this dude was like, well, no, see, they're going to save because they won't have as many repairs. And I was like, they're milking it. They're really trying. Bottom line is they're doing this so it can cripple us.
Do we have to have this on top?
Yeah, that would.
That's one of the only, like, it's a medical procedure. It's not depending on how it's done.
Wait, Ford, you
Yeah, well, I
fooled
would
me.
have thought that would have been a way worse anyway.
I know it's
That seems a
antique.
little more modern to sound like that, but I don't know. I was expecting like Sanford and Son or something.
I thought it was just antique.
I was waiting to see like a 42 Ford or something like
Me
popping
too.
around the corner with some like wooden rails on the back instead of
No,
like.
it sounds like a piece of junk.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I thought I was gonna see.
No.
Rusty.
No, when you hear that, normally it's like those like
Something from Hog Valley or Citrus.
2000
Like,
or something like that for some reason.
that's so crazy though. I did not.
That's a 1990s
That
model.
looked like one of those like what is it? It has like the X something on the back.
That
Like
Chelsea.
it's- yeah, exactly. Like one of them like sporty models, but it's like.
Really, that's just normal.
That's actually
I'll take
a.
the
It's the inside.
Is what?
They all look the same on the inside mostly. Our outside is the inside that changes.
No, so those have like those swollen, like they should be on a dually rear wheel
That's the
wells.
step side.
Yeah, you know, and it's like
Those are stupid.
it's exactly, but they have like
Hey,
the
the 1990 models.
X5
No way.
something on the back where it makes it look like
I guess you guys talk so we can talk. You again.
I'm not talking.
You did. You said like 3 times. It's a 90 something.
No, only two.
That was my guess, actually. I was going to say that was
I won't need here now. There are saying stuff like, oh, they don't matter. All they are is just noise, except for they're not noise. Every single truck spotter and truck enthusiast like me love them. You see that truck? That's pretty nice. Nice. Interested looking. Never seen a house like that or something like that. Whatever that is. Like, who actually wants electric? Tell me in the comments. Yeah, I know electric is better for the environment, but I don't want electric because I can't hear liquid. I can't hear liquid and stuff. I won't be. And how about the air system? How about the air horns? Like the boat horns and the glow boys. I don't know if I want to do this here on my electric trucks. Of course, you're all ignoring me. Really, everybody is. I will be posting some more movies if I can figure out how. Maybe I do this 40-minute video. Because I guess I end the video now since y'all got to see a marmon. Alright guys, stay safe, stay checking, over and out guys.